Dirty bad mind, but me do so. Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God.
One life, yeah.
Yo, this is Tony Curtis, representative for Sika Pure Music, the real music, you hear me? Big up on yourself, Sika Pure, I go around the world. Blessed love, Tony Curtis has said that. Rolling, poof! That.
Where's it now, Bingi?
No, I really think Johnny no realize the type of man the Bawda Cat is, you know. Bawda Cat is a very clever, very clever man. And that's why I respect him. But I see him hold my bridge more time and corner him and deal with him away and you know, Johnny I'm a boy. I name King Johnny. So I want to meet Johnny. I go coach Johnny and how to deal with Bawda Cat, how to have a conversation with Bawda Cat so he can have some impact. And don't always look like, you know?
Yeah, the lower one.
Yeah, look like him so behind in a sense. So that we say.
Yes, guys. We have a conversation coming up soon with Bawda Cat again, the people, so you don't know.
Yeah, you know them conversations they always at.
Intense. I don't want him look like now, you see me?
Yeah,
I feel boss around so now I'm back him now.
Well, you can't to the Bawda Cat. You can't jump to Bawda Cat and toe to him.
I'm not here to toe with man. You know, but what I'm saying, no.
Well, they have to jump.
No, I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that. If I you know, say, well, no, it's from being around him. It's from being around him and from the conversation that we had from being around him. I have to agree with him. I didn't have no reason to oppose him because I'm a talk tough. You see me forward from? But if I hear him talk something that I don't agree with, I will oppose it. Absolutely, 100%. But from being around him, from the full shows and what we do, and me hear him talk some things and I agree with him with what he was saying. So me have to agree with the man when the man is right. Yeah, but if me hear him talk some foolishness, of course. You know me already.
So why you want to take on Bawda Cat? And you want to take one from side this?
People ask me how me just back so I'm not taking Bawda Cat. But sometimes it's true Johnny just like he said, he's smart and clever. You can check out the Bawda Cat stand down to
yeah, my God, that them man they have too much road now, bro.
Yeah, but me go give him some coaching and how to deal with Bawda Cat.
So the other people, Bingi is going to coach Johnny on how to reason with Bawda Cat.
In real life.
In real life.
Yeah, watch. Are you make this here something? Yeah. See the man zero boss says the man making tablet holder. Yeah, one of them plastic one he making one. Yeah. Real. You want to oh. Yes, we have a drink in idea. Yeah, you know. Are we a drink roots?
No. Right rum.
White rum.
Right rum and petty.
And beer. But I want the backside. How can I mix up this?
Steel bottom.
That near steel bottom? You see me not even want me. I wonder what kind of mix up. There's gonna mix up the near steel bottom. Alright, go and watch your show and full jar yourself.
So you have to do that. You have to enjoy it there, big boy.
Of
big
course.
Boy, get up there, you know.
True. That is it.
Yeah.
Alright. Me I go up the hill so.
They're not the hill.
You take 3 bush.
You have to know you road now.
You might show me your road, man.
Hey, you know you road, man. That's why you have it, no? What you do down at the burning?
That's all of the pan brownie.
No, hey, you can't got there and do that.
Alright, we come over.
Wait.
What? You have to bush and the blood.
Oh, yeah, I know you out there, no?
No worry, him know the road. Yes. All kind of plants. This is our forest. Our jungle. This is our jungle in the jungle. It's so cool in here. Yes.
Jungle and jungle.
This is our bush. Let me stop and admire the trees and see what kind of trees up here. So. How can I chew this? Yeah? But it look like a mostly.
Pimenta.
Is that pimento, yes, sir?
That, yeah.
Yeah. But it look like, where them tree there, where them are cut down?
What? Cedar?
Yeah, and them there.
Cedar there, yes, but that pimenta, that.
Yeah,
I don't know this, what? Mango, some mango there.
I wonder if the mango is sweet. All the big trees they were full of vine. In a cool door. And come in and so come cook in a bush. So is
Yeah, cook.
cook anything I want. I can't start fish. Roast breadfruit, all them something there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's the woods, you know.
Oh yeah, there's our next turn off to go down with you.
Yeah.
It's a cool man. Which way you go, Savia?
You don't know where I live.
You have to make
It's by your house there.
That's all. Yeah, follow the all this is a nice to put one sing song, you know?
You know?
Right, just another tree, you know?
In the bush?
Yeah. So now just like have peace from people. In a bush and nobody not see you. But they have to talk to you most time in a bush, right? So it's nice. They have a swing song. I want them plant a name again. Them are wagon. Crow. What them name?
Flowers. I don't know.
I know say flowers, but
I don't know any name.
I saw some lilies sitting. I want them here again.
And they are
They
added
look
to
like
it.
I want them the coconut tree or a palm tree.
Like farm. The flowers
How
them.
can a mango this? But trust me, I build one sing song here so. And come in there. Nobody can find me. You know the bush. You like them here? I like in the bush. It's nice. So we are going to take that way and be and go now. I don't walk back to the side, so I'm going to eye copy in this stuff. And I copy in my head. Actually,
Yeah, you reach out tired.
yeah, it's kind of steep, but it's sharper. I can see you're going to get a comb. I wonder what kind of creatures live in this bush.
I don't know.
I wonder what kind of creatures live in this bush. You heard here, yeah? There's a lot of fern, a lot of fern. Pear tree of the sun. Banana tree, plant tree. So we're here in the bush. It's about where in the bush to oop the grass. Nearly dig up my foot.
Gosh.
Ah.
Cut.
Just free.
So they sit in the bush bring.
That nasty. See, it would be now when they cut it for you. You're going to make furniture. Look how much pear drop off. Watch out.
And then I good. You're not good.
Why you don't say that? You don't know.
I don't eat good still.
See? Much pear. Look up in our tree. Look what they did. Coconut tree there. So, coming from the bush. So, we get a tour in our
That's shop
forest.
where I come from. Which bush?
In the forest.
Shop where I come from, our actual bush.
No matter. We coming through the bush. Coconut tree.
Yeah, real bush
The
one.
country life, you know? So when you come to country, see rabbit here? This is my friend. We talk a lot. I'm ready to read. What's up, friend? We are going in. Then I bring the girlfriend for you. Just you and sprawl off, so no girlfriend. You're lonely.
Go and spread out, man, relax.
You say ain't nothing not pay me no mind today. Normally I get up and busy. What's up? Oh, yeah, get up now. Them need to figure out partner, this not look good. You want just itch up in a cube. Watch a man want come through door star. Alright, now watch the face. I soon get a girlfriend. When did you eat? Can I push that thing game?
Spanish nigga.
Spanish nigga. Alright, brother. Look a bit. Go and enjoy, look a Spanish nigga. You look good though. You look good. Alright.
One night.